So let's recap what we have looked at and also provide some troubleshooting. So in addition to the overview, we have looked at all the device eligibility, basically the requirements for moving your enterprise phones to MPP. We've looked at the enhancement that allows us to generate the migration license first and then migrate those phones later. We've also looked at how to use cloud connected UC to help trigger the firmware migration. We've looked at how to use the Add Device classic UI wizard to automatically generate the migration license. We have looked how to migrate back to enterprise firmware without needing a license and using also the key sequence #M2E. And then we have also looked at how to use activation code onboarding to migrate phones and also move those phones within the same organization using an activation code. So let's talk about some general troubleshooting tips. So on the left is an error message that you may see, such as providing the migration license. And the general fix would be to delete the phone from Control Hub, run the migration task with the license only option, and then provision the phone. And on the right are several scenarios, such as miss to add device via MAC address before upgrading. In that scenario, you can provision the phone using step 3 on the left. We have enterprise phone upgraded to MPP firmware without any setup. For that, you would use generate the migration license and provision the phone, steps 2 and 3 on the left. And the previously migrated phone is factory reset, basically follows steps 1 and 3 from the left. Another error that you may see is a provisioning phone license error, such as provide the migration license, contact your administrator. Again, the general fix is the same as we looked at before. And a couple scenarios would be scenario 1, the phone's upgraded before the migration licenses are auto-generated. For that, you would do option 1 and option 2 listed here. And then for scenario 2, the phone onboarded but migration license never existed in the org, the general fix would be listed on the left. So I hope you found all this information informative. Thank you.